Hey everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how I do my faux hawks. So you'll need a comb and a clip. And first you want to part your hair into two sections. And you want to part it from ear to ear. Then with that already parted section, you're going to get a clip and just put it up. And here I am just seeing if it's straight. And you can also take that clip and just section that away. Next, you're going to make that section that you just made into two sections. And you can also use the mirror to make sure that you can get your part straight or as straight as it can be. Next, you want to take a spray bottle filled with warm water. You need a bristle brush and some gel of your choice. Here I am just spraying my hair with the warm water, moisturizing it, getting it all around on the top and bottom. Then I'm just going to be using my soft bristle brush to brush any flyaways. Then I'm going to be using some gel, and I'm just going to put that at the top, at the edges, the bottom, just to make it as sleek as I can get it. Then I'm just going to brush it down once more. Then just using my ponytail holder, make a ponytail. Next, this is the fun part, so I'm just going to moisturize my hair again with that water and do a light twist. Make sure you twist all throughout the bottom of the hair, about an inch. Then get your hand, you could use it as a mold, and fold your hair upward and take a bobby pin and just pin it. Once it's pinned, you can really mold it to whatever shape you like. And that's it. Yes, get into it. Thank you guys all for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Thenaturallystyledtina.